Alright, let's try this video one more time. I had to end one I was making. I lost my hat. The winds are blowing anywhere from 12 to 15. Right now I'm in idle. She's bucking the wind pretty good. Steers pretty good, handles pretty well. I think today was the best day to test. This is the most wind I'm ever gonna play in. So the handles today were good. Cruising speed of 4.5 miles an hour. Boy, that wind is kicking. Not the ideal day to come test. But you don't know how she's going to handle it until you put her out there. I rode about 5 miles already. I've got about 4.5 miles back up to where I'm gonna park her. I'm gonna leave her in the water for a little while so I can do some work on the trailer. I do thank y'all for stopping by. As always, like, subscribe, comment. See y'all in the next video.